display all electrician also Martin na all display all electrician all in clear lo make maximum demand. So maximum demand and by me base lo example lo triple bedroom house. So this a triple bedroom house. Inside long you got one 25 plus lighting points, 30 plus power points, now 1 plus stove, 1 plus air conditioning unit. So by me base law, Australia and New Zealand wiring rule book. Now only updating below 2018 Western Finish. I'm being 2007. And now I'm come law 2018 only updating. So you missed that team law, load group A, you got 25 per lighting points, load group B 30 points, now load group C and 1 plus stove, now load group D split AC aircon. So yes, now by me look go calculation wrong. Calculation blow lighting points. Lo table C1 lo rule banga mami toko sem. For every 1 to 20 points, 3 M. Now not apply additional points, but you add him 2 M antalong. So you add him display 3 amp, 1 time 2 amp now, and by giving you total demand blow 5 amps. So now the power point I'm same to 20 points. That's all amp long but 10 amp. And additional or 20 points amp 5 amp. You add him 10 plus 5 and 15 amp. Now you will go load group C. So load group C inside the rule of maximum demand. Let me give him 50% and diversity. So that you work him out finish kilowatt long by times you wanted 50%. So example display kilowatt 8 kilowatt. 8 kilowatt you divide 230 volt or 240 volt. Now you kiss him NW by times you want it. Okay, load group D diversity factor long 75%. So you kiss 3.5 you divide 230. Divide 230 by kiss NW now by times you want 75%. And now by kiss him demand blow load group D. Now by me go you may get all demand. Now by me kiss him total demand blow display.
Let's review the total maximum demand summary. We list the values from Group A through Group D, giving a total of 48.881 amps.
Time you may kiss him total maximum demand now. And now you may can kiss him cable size na circuit breaker na all display. So lo kiss him cable size blow mains and by me use him on cable selection book. Ikat cable selection book stop. Na lo pain him out mo, you download him or pain him display book blow AS New Zealand wiring now. We plus have a good model display. You plug out some tok or some something where in alright lo display video, you put a comment below na by me discuss him. Thank you na you like, follow, na subscribe lo YouTube channel blow me stop lo bio blow me. Thank you.